Let's break down an example pay stub together so that you know exactly what to look for on your own. First part of your pay stub should always have your information. Review this, make sure that it's updated. If you need to update it, go and do that now. Second part that you'll probably see is your gross pay for that pay period with year-to-date numbers somewhere near that. Your gross pay might be a mixture of a few things like what you've worked, your PTO, sick pay, holiday, stock compensation. So review that just to make sure that it looks right to you too. You may have a section for pre-tax deductions and post-tax deductions. Pre-tax deductions are going to lower your income so that you're not taxed on those today. They might be your pre-tax 401k contributions, your HSA contributions, and your medical insurance. Post-tax deductions can also include some of your stock compensation like ESPP, RSUs, and your Roth 401k contribution. Now, the fun part that you're probably really worrying about and wondering why these numbers are so much are your taxes that you're paying. You might be seeing OASDI or Social Security, Medicare, your federal tax withholdings, and specific state tax withholdings if you live in a taxable state. The Social Security tax that you pay is 6.2%, and that's up to $168,600 for 2024. Medicare tax rate is 1.45%, but once you start to make over $200,000 as an individual or $250,000 married filing jointly, you start to pay additional Medicare tax of 0.9%. And your federal taxes are going to be based on whatever you filled out on your W-4, but it's really important to pay attention to this number during the year, especially if you're receiving RSUs, ESPP, other types of stock compensation that is going to be taxed on your W-2 so that you're withholding enough taxes during the year or making additional payments to help. Always do the same for your state taxes if you have them, and especially make sure that you're reviewing your benefits so that you're maxing out what you want to during the year.